Today's presentation, I did demonstrate how to use the Fasturn tool, I think 3 years ago on the show. It was early days in our filming repertoire, and the original film was not up to snuff, so I wanted to have this as a standalone tutorial on my website, so I thought I'd demonstrate it again tonight in case you have not seen it. So Danny's going to switch to the overhead camera. This is the Fasturn tool. It comes in different sizes, but I prefer the 1/2-inch size for bag making, and it comes in 2 different pieces. So one piece is a metal tube with kind of a plastic handle, if you will, and then the second piece is a plastic handle with, let me see if I can hold this in front of my hand so you can see it. So there's a corkscrew right here, metal corkscrew, and this is what pulls the fabric right side out through the tube. So this is very helpful not only for straps and things like that, but also, oh, thank you, Danny. I don't know if that's gonna, nah, camera's not picking that up. All right. As we move on, so I'm going to share with you how this tool works to turn 2 different items right side out. So I've got my strap piece that I sewed right sides together before the show, and I also have sort of a strap tab piece. This is for the Coalition bag, and you can also find it on my website or on my YouTube channel, purse tabs. So I have different designs for purse tabs, and this is one of them. So let me share with you how to turn both of these right side out. So first I'm going to go with the fabric tube, and I'm just going to slide the bigger portion of the tool through the opening and then push the fabric down, and then the corkscrew is just going to go through the other end. So what I'm going to do with the corkscrew, I'm going to stick it out the other end, and I'm going to twist it. I'm going to grab on to sort of the end of the fabric. I'm going to shoot near the seam, and I'm just going to twist it through the fabric. It doesn't damage the fabric. It just pokes through kind of like a pin. So I'm just going to keep twisting. As you notice, I'm twisting this end until the corkscrew comes out the other end of the fabric. And then I'm going to maneuver it so that it goes, oh, sometimes it comes out on me. And I figured it would do that because I was live on the show. But let me give that another shot. Okay. All right, so I'm going to pull this. Gently pull it to get it going. And I've got interfacing on here, so the layers are kind of thick, but all you need to do is get one little end through, and then I'm going to kind of backtrack that corkscrew back the way it came. And then I'm just going to turn this right sides out by hand. And as you can see, it was fairly easy to do that. And then after you press, that's what that piece will look like. And then it also does quick work for purse tab pieces like this. So the process is pretty similar. So again, I'm going to stick it through, I've left the short end raw so that I have sort of an opening to stick my Fasturn tool. And again, same process, except this time there's obviously stitching all the way around. So I'm just going to go ahead and it's going to push out the other end through the seam. Okay, so I'm going to get that going. As you can see, it's already starting to turn right side out. And I'm going to slide that corkscrew out. That came out fairly quickly. And I have, usually I like to use my precision turning tool. I didn't bring it to the table for today, but this is what that purse tab will look like once it's pressed and turned right side out. So I use this all the time. Perhaps you've seen me in one of my full-length videos using the Fasturn tool, but again, this is the 1/2-inch size. They do sell it in sets of lots of various sizes. I think perhaps a set of 6, but this is the one I use probably 99% of the time. So this is the one that I've stuck with in my stash. So hope you enjoyed that demonstration. And I do have, I think by this time, nearly 100 tutorial videos, maybe about 10 minutes or less on my website. And you can also find those videos on my YouTube channel. And they're all for bag making techniques, such as making hidden straps, using different tools like the Fasturn tool. So if you're interested in those, you can find those either on my website or on YouTube. So